This is the best Thai food in LA, Los Angeles. Can't miss it. It's got neon signs and its parking is small, but just find some street parking if you're having trouble. They're labeled as the best noodles in town. Sanamluag Cafe. It's in Thai town. The first dish we got was the spare ribs. It had a nice texture to it. Had some delicious sauce for dipping. Lots of spiciness to it. A little sour. Next up is the duck soup. Oh man, look at the texture. It's just making me hungry. But yeah, this came in a large bowl. Uh, the noodles were flat noodles and had a lot of flavor to it. I even got some to go on my takeout box. Next up is the lettuce wraps. You just pack this up in the lettuce and eat it. And lastly, we got the fried rice. This was so good. This was a seafood fried rice, and it came with some little sauce in it. There you go. This is the Thai food of LA. Subscribe.